Hi, I'm Kshema Rai, a parent of Itha Rai. She goes to nursery. We moved to Vizag about a year back, and before moving we were looking at a lot of schools. We asked a lot of people, we read a lot of reviews online and researched a lot on which school we should enroll our daughter into, and a lot of people suggested Oak Ridge. The main reason we found most people giving was that they stress on an overall development of the child. They don't only concentrate on academics, but a lot of personality development, and that is what we were looking at in a school. We also happened to meet some of the children that went to Oak Ridge, and we found that they were very confident and like young children, maybe 12 or 13-year-old, and they were confident enough in starting a conversation with us and discussing about their school, and we were very impressed. So we decided to enroll my daughter in Oak Ridge, and it was a very good decision because I've seen a huge improvement in her. She was a very shy child. She was overcautious and scared of everything. And now with like just barely 2 months into the school, and she has just completely changed. She is very confident, she is very open, she is very open to trying new things. She used to be very scared of the water. If we went anywhere even close to the beach or a swimming pool, she would start screaming. But Oak Ridge has a very good thing of they introducing like water activities to children. They have a splash pool once a week, and where they let children get comfortable in the water and have a lot of interesting activities, and that has completely changed her. She's no longer scared. She is very happy to go into a swimming pool. We can leave her by herself, and she's very happy, very excited to be with the water. So we are very happy with this change. And they have a lot of outdoor activities. They had taken them on an outing to the park, where they had them pick some vegetables and fruits, and she came back home and she was so excited. Even her language has improved a lot. The words she uses and the things she knows in nursery, and she's already talking about planets, and I'm just impressed. I don't know how they managed to do this and how they managed to broaden these small young minds so much. They also encourage children to ask questions and to be more inquisitive. So I find her asking me a lot of things. She wants to know more about a lot of things, like even daily things or anything that she comes across. She wants to know why it happens and what causes it, and I think it's the school and the teachers that are inculcating these kind of thoughts in their minds, which are making them more open, more inquisitive. And she is also very excited to come to school. Every morning, the minute she wakes up, she is excited, and she keeps asking me, is it time for school, is it time for school? And I'm very happy. She was also a very poor eater, and within like 2-3 months she's been eating well. She loves, I think they make mealtime also fun, because she's been finishing her snack box, which is very surprising to me. She eats and she is very excited. She comes home and she tells me, I ate this today, and she talks a lot about her day. Even the teachers tell me that you should ask her about what's happening at school. So they even talk to the parents. I think the staff is very good at even keeping the parents in the loop. Every weekend we get a call from her teacher, who calls us and asks us if we have any worries, any concerns. And I think it's very important, because not many schools involve the parents like how Oak Ridge does. Everyone, like we know each and every staff on a personal level, and I'm very comfortable if I have any issue to come and talk to any of the teachers or any of the staff at school. And I think that's very important, because when your child is spending such a lot of time in school, you need to know what's happening. You need to be sure that they're in good hands. And I'm very happy that we moved here, and I'm very, very happy that we chose Oak Ridge as our school for our child. Thanks.